What'd you say?
I missed that sound.
The sound of Grandpa doing the tires? How many tires did you count?
28. The probably have 20.
There was 24 before, and I brought 4 more.
So he's right.
Yep.
So no 29.
28.
28 tires, and they're all used, and most of them we don't need.
What are you doing?
Where's Evan, Dad?
Eating ice cream. Evan's at the shop.
Evan's working and you're snacking?
I had to have my dessert. I got a gift today. Rusty at the shop. Seeing my screwdrivers in the racing toolbox, he says, throw them away. I got screwdrivers I'm gonna bring you. So Rusty brought me a bunch of screwdrivers. He said, I'm very picky about my screwdrivers. Throw those away. Yours suck.
I think
Thanks, Rusty.
Rusty can keep coming over and finding stuff that he doesn't like and keep replacing it for us.
Hey, have to check out that toolbox.
Check out this toolbox. It's getting to be a pile.
Yeah, she's a little old. The drawers are a little...
Maybe Rusty wants to replace that.
Thanks, Rusty.
Did you get it?
I think he did most
Thank you, buddy.
of the work.
He did most of the work. I think you helped him.
Yep, buddy, you did it.
No, him was like almost gonna get it out then. I want to really put him really hard.
Next one you can help him. You think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to get 7/16 French.
Oh boy.
I feel like
Yes.
I always ask you.
You always ask me for 7/16 too. What?
I said, oh gee, I wonder why. That's 9/16.
Oh darn. Pull.
You pull. Hey. Pull on that.
Dave, you sound like a breath.
What?
So you sound like you're out of date.
I'm an old man and I'm working.
Well, I'm just saying.
What's your excuse for being out of breath?
I'm not out of breath right now.
You always are.
Now your back just hurts.
Uncle Hard.
Why am I so racing? 57 and proud. A lesson on the high side. A real race the ground. Doesn't always work. At least I'm not a jerk. A pedal's a go and kick some dirt. Ow.
Cutting a hole in for the air cleaner and carburetor. And our new stacked panels hood. You're a little off.
We know.
Oh. Oh, baby.
Mom, do you want to pick up those 2 pieces? Yeah.
Go in.
Mine does.
Lucy!
There.
My mom, you today?
I thought I was leaving.
But you're having so much fun.
Evan's tired. He hasn't been sleeping good.
I'm sleeping good and just want to go home.
His sister said it's because he talks to girls on the phone till it's really late.
Is that right, Evan?
Huh?
Is that right?
No, I'm not necessarily.
Not necessarily. That wasn't a definite no.
So are you?
It's not a no. But I want to say it's a lady.
Evan's a catch. Now I'm going to attempt to saw a straight circle.
Oh, you got a little bit more to go.
Oh, it's just wearing it right out. Almost. Evan, take this hood and put it over there right now.
I don't have to take this. I'm going home.
Evan, you're just gonna leave?
Evan, I want to go home.
Ryan,
Evan left.
good help is hard to find.
Goodbye.
No, get your squishy.
Oliver, you're gonna have to help Dad.
It's me and you.
No.
I think the body's done.
Are you excited?
Yes. A couple more rivets. Isn't she a beaut? Look at that blade where we cut out the hole in the hood. Tore it up. It's like gone. The teeth are gone. Amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video tonight. Basically, tires and wheels, putting our hood on, a little bit of nonsense. We're giving away one of these, not that exact one. We're giving away a wall sign to one lucky Inner Circle member at the end of this month of March. So, I've been asked, people don't quite understand what our Inner Circle is, and if you haven't been watching long, the Inner Circle is like a fan club, but on steroids, is what I call it. So, if you want more than what we put out on YouTube, consider joining our Inner Circle. I created it years ago, and it's just a way for people to feel more connected to our race team. So if you're watching all these videos and you like what you see and you want more from us, go to the link below, click on, it says RyanMisslerRacing.com/Inner Circle or something like it's Patreon. I screwed that all up. The link's below. So what you get out of that, there's a couple different levels. There's a level for everybody. There's the actual one we're gonna give away. It's just sitting there looking cool. So there's a level for everybody, and what you get out of it is we got t-shirts, we got all different kinds of swag, hats, can koozies, you know, things that will send you in the mail when you sign up or after a month or two, depending on what level you sign up for. So, and we'll add you to a private chat group that you'll have on your phone, and you can connect with me and everybody else on the race team via video chat on your right access to your phone anytime. So consider joining that if you want more behind the scenes look of our race team. Thanks everybody. I appreciate you listening to me ramble on and butcher that all up, but I really do hope that you consider joining. And if you like just watching our videos on YouTube, share them with your racing friends. We'd appreciate it. Thanks everybody. I'm pumped. The race car buddy's done. See you tomorrow.